only practicing can help you improve yourself. You need to read, whether it is the story, whether it is your English literature book. You have an English literature book, right?
Yes.
Yes.
There is a lot of poems in it. There is a lot of essays, a lot of stories in it, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You should read it. You should read it so that when someone gives you a piece of paper with something written on it, you can just easily read it fast. Okay, you can talk to each other with right pronunciation and a good accent. No one wants to talk English with a Malayalam accent, right? Malayalam, we know how to talk Malayalam, how to speak in Malayalam, right? Right.
Yes.
It is having different accent, a different way of speaking, right? We all know how to speak in Malayalam. Hmm?
Yes.
Yes.
And now, through accent training, we are learning how to speak in English.
Ma'am, your video is glitching.
My video is glitching. Yes, I can see that. Even my audio is glitching. I don't know. It's like stuttering. Maybe I don't know what is the maybe network issue. I don't know. Yes, 24 of you are here. So what about the rest? So just let me write down your names, okay, for attendance purpose. And I want you all to keep your videos on. Hanna Roshan, yes, Gauri Nanta, Adina, Shabari Karthik.
There's some network issue, that was.
Okay, Hanna, just let me know in the beginning itself. Okay, so I will not ask you to switch on. Just inform me beforehand. Just inform me. Okay. And Gauri Nanda and Shabari Karthi, because we are not having an online class, we are not getting to meet face to face, right? We are just connecting through these networks, through Zoom calls. So if you keep your videos off, then how will I know whether you guys are there behind the screen? So for that purpose, you all should keep your videos on. Yes. So just let me take the attendance. Okay, just let me write down. Daros is having network issue, right? Okay. So I guess the screen is clear for everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can read, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Adhika,
Yes, ma'am.
you can start the story. 1 minute.
Funny Faces by Kelly Hashway. Liz started.
Stared.
Liz stared at the last envelope in Mr. Mason's hand.
Mason's hand.
Mason's hand. The school pictures were here. Liz had been so excited on picture day.
Okay, Adhika, very good. Okay, very good. So, can you just read me the first sentence again? Just want to check whether you corrected yourself or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Liz stared at the large envelope in Mr. Mason's hand. The
Right.
school.
Very good. Very good, Adhika.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Lazel,
Yes, ma'am.
read the second line.
She'd just gotten a new haircut and a brand new sweater. Her
Sweater.
mom sweat mom
Sweater.
had
Continue.
sweater. Her mom had even let her wear lip gloss. Now she'd finally get to see how the pictures turned out.
How the picture.
The picture turned out.
Okay, very good. Karthikeyan, are you there, Karthikeyan? Yes. So, yes, Karthikeyan. Second paragraph. till back of the classroom.
B.
Did you practice, Kartikeya?
Ma'am, I forgot practice.
Very bad. Okay. So when you come next time, practice. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Alvina.
Ma'am.
Alvina?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When you get your envelope, till back of the classroom.
When you get your envelope, please locate the spare photo for the classroom display. Mr. Mason said. Mr. Mason had a wall of film board in the back of the classroom.
Okay, very good, Alvina. You need to improve your accent. Okay, you need to say in between. Okay. And no need to stretch everything. Okay, just practice. Okay, I'm just giving you feedback so that you can improve yourself. Okay, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just practice. Okay, very good, Alvina. You did a very good job. Okay, dear. Next. Next is Anna Rose.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear. The next two lines.
Every year, he posted pictures of his students and had them sign their names. Mr. Mason placed an envelope face down on
This is
desk.
desk.
Liz's desk. Retakes are on Wednesday, he whispered.
Yes, very good. Very good, Anna. Again, you should concentrate on better accent. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
It will, you all can improve yourself. You just started, right? Abel, stop playing on the board. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So now next is Irene. Irene, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So retake, from retake till envelope. Yes, Irene.
Takes lift pencil. How awkward could this be? She took a deep breath and rested one corner of the envelope.
The envelope. The envelope. We learned a theory relating to vowels and related to vowels and consonants, right? If the word after, it means okay. If the word after T H E starts with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U, then how will we read THE? B. B. Okay.
D.
B. Okay. And what if the word after THE starts with consonant sound? All the remaining letters in the alphabet, 26 letters are there in English. 26 letters are there, right?
Yes.
From which 5 of them are vowel and the remaining 21 are called consonants, right?
Yes.
Okay. If the word after THE starts with any of those 21 letters, then we will read it as da. Very good. Da. Okay. So you should try to apply this theory while reading. Okay. So Irene was reading, right? So the, it's not the envelope, it's the envelope. Okay. Yes, very good, Irene.
Thank you, ma'am.
Keep practicing. Okay. Yes. Ameya.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ameya, you can read me.
all she could see was her hair. Nothing wrong there. No street pieces standing on edge or anything like that.
Very good, Ameya. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, the previous class I don't know.
You were in there, right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Devananda.
You are Devananda. Okay. What happened, Devananda?
Ma'am, the previous class I don't know.
You were in there. You were absent.
Yes.
Okay. Don't worry, Devananda. We are just making your classmates read what we discussed in the last class. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
we discussed a few theories, including the one that I just explained. How to
Okay, ma'am.
pronounce CHE in relation to vowels and consonants. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And in the coming paragraph, I will be explaining one more theory. Okay, Devananda.
Okay,
If you
ma'am.
have any doubt, you can just ask me. Okay. Okay. Shravan? Shravan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So nothing wrong there. Okay. Next line, Shravan.
Liz raised. Then she saw it.
Sorry, Shravan. Please start. Please read it again.
Liz,
Yes.
Liz raised
Hmm.
the envelope.
The envelope. The envelope.
The envelope.
The word
L-E.
after THE starts with a vowel sound. So THV will be pronounced as B. Okay.
The envelope. A little higher. And then she saw it. Her eyes
Were half
were
closed.
half closed. She
Slammed.
slammed the envelope.
The envelope. Again,
The-
Shravan. You should pay attention.
The envelope back down before anyone
Else could see.
else
Could see.
could
Shravan,
see. Yes, ma'am.
I think you didn't practice. Tell me whether you practiced or not.
Ma'am, I don't practice.
Why? Why you didn't?
But
You forgot to practice. Okay, I want you to practice. Okay. Okay. So why am I asking you to practice? To improve your accent, right?
yes,
So without practicing, we can't improve ourselves, right?
yes.
To practice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Advait. Did you practice? Did you practice, Advait? Unmute yourself, Advait, and tell me whether you practiced or not. Advait, see Binal, you are drawing on the board. I don't know why you people can operate it. Yes, Advait, you can read. Agna. Okay, let me ask Advait. Okay, Agna. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
You practiced or not, Advait?
Yes, I practice.
Okay. So just read me. Just read this first line for me.
Ma'am, which paragraph?
You can see the screen, right?
Ma'am?
In which I have marked.
Yes.
Okay. So just read that line. Liz looked around. Some Liz looked around till on
Ma'am,
their
your
desk.
voice is breaking.
Advait, start reading.
Yes, ma'am. But, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Your voice or my voice.
Your voice, ma'am.
It doesn't matter, Advait. You just read the first line.
Liz looked around the room. A few other had their envelope face down on their desks too.
Okay, envelopes. It's envelopes. Okay. While reading
Envelope.
sentences, you can see a full stop here, right? So you should post. Liz looked around the room. Post. A few others had their envelopes face down on their desk too. Okay. Envelopes. Okay.
can read.
Yes, Agna, dear, you can read next. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So from Mr. Mason till Funny. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Mr. Mason, can I ask the class a question? Mr. Mason nodded. Be
Noted.
my guest. Let's start. Does
Continue.
anyone else have a bad picture? My eyes are half closed and I look kind of funny.
Very good, Agna. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, Andrea.
1 minute, Andrea. I want to explain something here. After that, you can. Okay, Andrea.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So here, what I want to explain is that, Mr. Mason, can I ask the class a question? Liz said. Mr. Mason nodded. Be my guest. Liz stood up. Liz stood up. So these two are two different words, right? Am I right? Stood and up. Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Stood and right. Okay. Stood up. Stood
Up.
up. Two different words. But when I was reading, I just pronounced it as a single word. Stood up. Right? I just said it like that. Let's stood up. Right?
Yes.
Together. I combined both these words together. So this process is called the process of combining these two words together while speaking. While speaking is called, this process is called catenation. What is it?
Catenation.
Catenation. Yes, very good. The process of combining these two words while speaking is called catenation.
Catenation.
So when will we when will we apply this theory, catenation? So in fluent English, when the first word, that is stood here, this stood is the first word, right? Ends with a consonant sound. When the first word ends with a consonant sound, and the second word here, the second word is up, and the second word starts with a vowel sound. Okay, vowel sound. Then we will just combine it together while speaking. Okay. So that's what happened here. So D is a consonant. U is a vowel. So when I was reading, I just read it like stood up, a single word. Okay. So this process is called? Answer me. What is it called?
Catenation.
Very good. You all understood, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I want you to apply this theory while practicing. Okay. So that you can apply the same when you are speaking. Yes, Andrea.
Ma'am, this is Anna Grace. Can I read after Andrea?
Yes, Dia. Yes. So Andrea, you can read till I have an idea.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm sneezing in my picture. Jeff said. Nothing can be funnier than that. My head is sticking up one side. Melanie said. Let's look at the wall of frame. I have an idea.
Very good, Andrea. Very well done. Keep it up, okay? Very,
Thank you.
very good. Okay. Thank you, dear. Okay. Anna Grace?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can just read till wall of fame. Okay.
What if we start a new bullet board? One for the funny pictures. We could call it the funny faces. She took a picture from her envelope and walked over to the wall of fame.
Very good, Anna Grace. Very good. Good job.
Ma'am.
Good job, dear. Now, who wants to go next? Anyone? So I will, yes.
This is for
Sorry?
class.
Yes, this is 4F, right?
No, I am in the 4.
Yes.
4E.
You are in 4E. Okay, students, it's already 3:40. So it's time for
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Class 2